Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed seeds laddu. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of mixed seeds like flax, sesame, and sunflower. Next, prepare 1/2 cup of jaggery or dates for natural sweetness. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of ghee ready. This will help bind everything together and add a lovely flavor to your laddus. Now let's prepare the seeds. Lightly roast your mixed seeds in a dry pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once roasted, spread them out and allow them to cool completely. After cooling, grind the seeds into a coarse powder using a food processor or mixer, ensuring it's not a fine paste. Next, we'll bring everything together. In a separate pan, melt your jaggery or dates with 1 tablespoon of ghee over low heat until it becomes soft and pliable. Once melted, remove it from the heat and immediately combine it with your ground seeds. Mix thoroughly until everything is well incorporated. While the mixture is still warm, take small portions and form them into firm, round laddus, each about 1.5 inches in diameter. Finally, let's talk about storage and enjoyment. Once your delicious mixed seeds laddus are ready, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and tasty for up to 2 weeks. These nutritious treats are perfect as a healthy snack, a quick energy boost, or a delightful dessert. For more great products and deals, including a fantastic new e-reader, be sure to check out the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade laddus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.